So have you ever been frustrated that you're doing everything right, you're working hard, but you're not seeing your business grow, you're not getting the clients that you ultimately want? Because you could be posting on Instagram multiple times a day, trying to set up Facebook ads, maybe trying to set up funnels or a website, and there's a ton of things that you could be doing, but the problem is you're not seeing the results. So that's why I want to show you right now 3 simple steps that's going to give you clarity on what it is you exactly need to be doing to ultimately build a business that you want. Also, if we're meeting for the first time, hi, I'm Chris Dufay, and I help trainers and coaches earn over 100K in 12 months and ultimately get you clients. Now, this was a complete shocker because we just reviewed the responses of over 9,000 coaches, and the biggest overwhelming response really was they were confused with what it is that they needed to do. So I want to walk you through right now these 3 steps because you've probably seen what a traditional sales funnel needs to look like at the end of the day. We're going to break it up into 3 different steps because what you're going to be able to do from this episode right now is figure out which one do you need to work on most, and then because you might have a bit of a Swiss cheese problem, you've got some holes and you want to plug those holes, then it's going to be really simple for you. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to figure out, well, what do we need to do to be able to get people to actually start coming to us? And what we do first is we need to get people to see you. We need to get people to actually know you. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to figure out what is it that we need to do to actually get people to go from not knowing you to knowing you. The second factor that we need is we need to set. We go from see to set. Setting is all about setting up the relationship. It's about building authority. It's about getting them to actually like and trust you. This is getting them to actually know who you are. Then we build the relationship with the set phase. Then what we need to do is sell. We need to be able to actually sell the shit that you've got at the end of the day to the right people. So what we need to figure out is, well, how are you going to see, how are you going to set, how are you going to sell at the end of the day? But even before we do that right now, think right now, if you had a little traffic light system, red light is it's not working, it's not there. Orange light is it's kind of there, but it's not doing a great job. Green light is it's working and it's doing exactly what it's needed to do. What's red, what's orange, what's green right now? If it's all red, that's perfectly fine. If you've got some orange in there, then we know that we need to fix it. So when we look at the seed, we need to be able to go, okay, what is it that you're doing to actually bring in the type of customers that you want? Are you attracting in the people that you want to be working with? This is ultimately the type of content that you're putting out. So the biggest, most important factor of the seed is your message. What is your message? Are you clear on what it is that you are actually giving your market? Are people seeing you as the go-to coach? And are you separating yourself from your competition at the end of the day? Because if you're not, then you're going to need to be able to fix that. Secondly, the set is the building of the relationships. Are you building a list? Or what I say, are you getting into the friend zone, which is you're putting your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube, your blogs, whatever it is, you're putting your content out there, but they're not buying from it. They see it, but they don't take the next step. And that's you falling into the friend zone, which is never fun at the end of the day. And then it's the selling. Are you getting actual leads coming through your sales process, whether it's a webinar or a call or a sales page, or whatever the hell it is that you could have set up, but are you actually being able to convert in a system? And this is what I really want to make sure. So we're building a business that is able to give you the money that you want. It's able to get you actually helping people with what it is that you're passionate about. And then it's also giving you freedom. We need a system for see, a system for set, a system for sell. Because if you don't have that in place, then probably you're just like running around like a madman the whole time, trying to do everything and you're feeling overwhelmed in the business. So if you're feeling overwhelmed and if you've got a bit of like orange lights, red light system going on right now, that's perfectly fine. What I'll do is I'll pop a link below for you to get access to the free 20-minute training. It's completely free and there ain't nothing to buy in it. Simply it's just going to walk you through how do you actually set up the marketing, your content, how do you get people to see you. Secondly, we're going to go through how do you actually build your list, whether it's through lead magnets, whether it's through a Facebook group, whether it's being doing actually DMs or followers and getting people to truly engage with you. And then it's about actually selling up the selling system. How is it that you're going to turn 8 to 9 out of 10 leads into your clients, ultimately being able to charge what you're worth as well. So click the link below, get access to it, use it, abuse it, see the results for yourself. But I guarantee that if you are able to start seeing a green light with see, set and sell, you're going to be able to build the business that you truly want.
Now, this is where I want to make sure that you get the most out of being here, and I want to hear from you. So if you've enjoyed this episode, click like, and to make sure I can send you the new episodes each and every week, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, I really want to make sure that I'm giving you exactly what you need. So comment below. I want to know what you're going to take away from this episode. And the best conversations after every episode always happen in the Breaking Success Tribe. I'll pop a link below for you to join the free group so you get access to the guides, the live streams. I'm in there answering your questions personally each and every day. Plus you get all the episodes as well. So thank you so much for being here and joining us. I'm really looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.